see you back here at the station in just a little bit. Well, in today's Makeover Monday, how to give your skin a healthy glow. We all want that. 10 years ago, microdermabrasion was a major medical breakthrough. Now, a decade later, this skin procedure is as popular as ever. Microdermabrasion is a great way to make your skin look a little bit healthier without needles, without surgery. Allison Shea, did I say that right?
That's right.
Is with us now from Parisian Peel, which is also another word or another term for microdermabrasion.
Yes, that's
okay.
correct.
I didn't know that, and I've had microdermabrasion a few times. I think a lot of people out there are maybe apprehensive to get this done. Just talk basically about the procedure itself.
And what it is. Okay, great. Microdermabrasion is, and Parisian Peel is essentially the process of removing the surface layers of skin, the dry and damaged surface layers, to help give our skin a youthful, healthy glow. It's essentially like exercise for the skin.
And we're going to demonstrate how it's done. So how do you take that layer off?
We take it off using aluminum oxide crystals, which are a very abrasive substance that essentially they're vacuumed across the skin. So the crystals cause the exfoliation and the vacuum removes it.
And some people have wondered about those crystals, that they could maybe scratch up the skin. Is that true?
That is actually not true. They have been used for many years. They're used in dentistry and a lot of other things, and they're actually perfect for removing the cells from the skin without scratching. It's a very popular procedure, and we've really seen no problems with it.
Now, is everyone a candidate for this? Should you worry if you have maybe rosacea or other skin problems?
Almost everyone is a candidate. Rosacea is something that they definitely should consult their physician about, but it's a treatment that can be done on just about any type of skin, and it's actually one of the only treatments that can be done on pregnant women other than facials.
Oh, I didn't know that.
We do recommend they talk to their doctors first.
Sure, and we're watching her get it done. You don't notice any major changes to her skin while this is happening. What is the downtime?
There's really no downtime. The procedure takes about 30 to 60 minutes, and you can put your makeup right back on and go right back to work, go back to pretty much any activity.
Yeah, I know when I had it done, I felt like I was just sun-kissed, you know, later in the day, because your cheeks feel flushed, but it's almost like those skin cells are rejuvenating.
Right.
And sometimes they just sit there and don't do much.
They're nice and fresh. That's really what happens. It feels a little bit, the procedure itself feels a little bit like a cat licking your skin, which may seem like a strange way to describe it, but that's what most people who've had it done will say.
Sure, so it's not necessarily harmful.
Really no pain, and then those fresh skin cells look nice and bright.
And I'm assuming this is great for skin pigment, acne, evening of the skin tone. Should you do a series of procedures?
You should. A series of treatments is recommended. You'll notice an improvement after the first procedure. It will immediately improve tone and texture of your skin, but it's great with a series of treatments to work on age spots and fine lines and wrinkles and acne. It's good for most anything, any sort of pigmentation on the skin.
And a lot of clinics have package deals, so maybe you'll save money if you need to do 6.
Right, and that's typically how they will sell it to you, is as a package of services.
Are you noticing more men doing this? Ken was wondering if he could get it done to his bald head.
You know, we are. Actually, about 30% of the cosmetic procedures being done in the market right now are men, and so we're seeing a lot of them, and they are happy with the results. It's a nice procedure in that it's easy. There's not a lot of downtime, and it really doesn't hurt, and so as a result of that, people are pretty eager to try it.
Yeah, she's not flinching at all. You notice a little bit of redness now, but a lot of that is just the application, right, of the crystals.
And that should, as you can see kind of around her jawbone there, that should resolve within probably 20 or 30 minutes.
You know, a lot of women at home are using their own exfoliators and scrubs. Is this just to a higher degree? It's more intensive?
It is to a higher degree. The other thing that you have at work here is the vacuum. So the vacuum it's a mechanical exfoliation, but the vacuum is stimulating blood flow in the skin as well. So there are some benefits to be achieved through that as well.
And you can do this procedure on your neckline, I'm sure, where you have maybe some sunspotting.
And your hands. It's a great treatment for hands as well.
All right. Well, we'll let her finish and get her treatment. How lucky she's going to walk away with a healthy glow. Thank you, Allison, from Parisian Peel. And for more information on getting this procedure done, go to our website, myfoxcolorado.com. Look for the As Seen on TV tab under Good Day. Well, coming up on Good Day, we'll go live to Tucson, Arizona, Arizona, where our Colorado Rockies have already started another day of spring training. Sports director Eric Goodman tells us how it's going. And Dan